Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County, and south central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Fenimore, or 10 miles northeast of Lancaster, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Okay.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belmont, Centerville, Linden, Cobb, Rui, Platte Mounds, London, and Edmond. This includes the following location: Iowa Grant School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, so the thunderstorm warning happened
This is the NOAA
really
radio
soon after the watch.
WXT-87.